Hey guys, yesterday I actually went to a competition and from my mom I got this cube. I actually don't know what this is called. Let me know in the comments down below or something. But yeah, I'm just gonna be making an unboxing video again, like the NGC squared one. So let's open it up. Let's take a look at the accessories first. There's only a booklet. What's happened here? Okay, I don't want to look at that because I might make a video about this. Okay, so this is the cube itself. It's kind of like a barrel shape. But I've heard a few things about this cube. Also, first turns, pretty smooth and a bit slow out of the box. But that's okay. Also, I've seen that all of these pieces on the top layer, middle layer, and bottom layer are the same color. So when you're on PLL, for example, so let's do a Jeeper. Wow. Wait. Oh no. It messed up the center. Well, I'm just gonna do that G-perm again. Because PLLs don't really matter. Is that centerpiece solid now? Yeah. So, if you guys want to see the booklet, I'm gonna show you right now. But it's a bit weirdly packed like this. But I'm not gonna look. I'm not looking right now. So, I think I opened it. There. So that's one side of it. I think I showed everything. And then the other side from here. I didn't see anything. Okay, I'm just gonna pack this up. Now, I haven't seen a tutorial about this cube, but I've heard a few things about it. So I'm gonna give this a rating out of 5 at the end of the video. So, first impressions of the cube, pretty smooth. I don't think it actually needs some lube. But I also realized these centerpieces, how they can like flip. It's a bit kind of like my windmill cube. If you haven't seen my windmill cube video where I solved the windmill cube without a tutorial, I'm making it right now. This is how it looks like. And you can get kind of like these keys. So like for example, when you do a G-perm, you can kind of like get this case where the center is like flipped. And this is a bit harder to solve. But I'm just gonna solve this with 2 more G-perms. I think I can do it. Oh wait. Yeah, no, I'll solve it later. Anyway, back to this. So, I can see that it's kind of like can turn and misalign the center by just a bit. And also, you might be wondering, customizations? Not so much. Also, you can do it on the blue side as well. This one, however, yeah, the white one is pretty basic. We have the logo, and yeah, you get it, blah, blah, blah. So this blue one kind of looks the same, but these centerpieces look really deep on the inside. And if we take a look at a normal 3x3, there we go. If we take a look at a normal qiyi 3x3, this is my qiyi sail, not the qiyi Warrior S. I did lube it, if you can hear that. Anyway, when you take out the center cap from this cube, right here, they're like not very much. But this center cap right here is not as big as these blue ones right here. If you can spot the difference, then congratulations, because these are very not similar. So anyway, back to the qiyi cube. By the way, I think this cube is like called something like a qiyi barrel cube. I'll look up what it's called later. My gosh. And there. So, however you turn this, it's always solved. And also, if you try to do an A-form, I don't know if it misaligns the centers or not. Wow, it actually didn't misalign the centers. What happens with this apron? Wow, nothing at all. So that's pretty cool. And I like that you can skip PLO, because on this cube, it was really tough, if you remember that video. And yeah, I think OLO, yeah, this is a zoom case. So I basically did this case. I kind of like got a twisted corner right here. Oh my god, that's hard to twist. When you solve that, there, you should kind of like just get a PLO skip every time you do it. And yeah, you might have heard the customization settings are not very much. So customization settings, I'll give a 1 point for that, because it only has, yeah, I'm gonna try and get to 5 points, and then I'll give it a high rating. So first impressions, as I said earlier, corner cutting, that's actually not too bad for a qiyi cube. And let's try a reverse corner cutting. Let's try here. Okay, here is the works. Yeah, reverse corner cutting, not very cool, but let's try patterns. Whoa, this is the checkerboard pattern. I'm gonna try the super blue pattern. This may be tough on a barrel cube. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna do this. So far, I think this has gotten a pretty good rating. I might give it right now like a solid 4 stars, because I feel like the corner twisting, not very good. Reverse corner cutting, not good either. But regular corner cutting, heck yeah. This is like really good. I also have a qiyi clock somewhere. I think it's in my cube bag right now. But a solid 4 out of 5 is pretty good for a qiyi cube, because I'm not a very big qiyi fan. I'm a big GAN fan. Also, my main 3x3 isn't even a Mojo cube, it's just a GAN cube, a GAN 12. So yeah, this cube is a pretty solid cube, and I like it. If I had to say, do you like it, yes or no, I would say yes. Because you always keep PLO, but add in a harder step, which I saw in this video, which you might have seen in this video, I mean the previous one, when it's like, you gotta insert it in a different location, like that, take out that one, and then insert it like that, and do that for all the other ones. And that's what I might do in that other video, where I'm solving the barrel cube with no help. And yeah, I hope it goes well. This might take a long time. Yeah, if you guys are wondering, this is kind of like a normal 3x3 as well as a barrel cube, But I've heard that you can get kind of like parody on the barrel cube. And I think that's in the instructions. So I'm not gonna look at that. I got that case. Okay. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. Because I'm a channel that's trying to grow and get this channel more popular to other people. And who knows, maybe you'll subscribe in the next video. And ranking, again, 4 out of 5. And I hope I can get to 7 subscribers by the end of the month. Or at least 5. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time.